Hello everyone and welcome back to English for Beginners. We have an activity related to chapter 1.1 and the story called Ants and the Grasshopper. So here they're asking us what who were the main characters. And we're going to tell them here that the main characters were Ant and Grasshopper. Now they're asking us what was the story title. Well, as we all know, the story title was and the Grasshopper. Now they're asking us the setting. Where did the story take place? It took place in a forest. The final part is the plot summary. If any of you do not know what a plot summary is, then let me tell you. It is to summarize the story in just two, three, or few lines. So let's get beginning. Well, as we all know, it was a fine summer day, and then there was one paragraph describing the nature of the surrounding. Then one paragraph was of grasshopper and ant, and then there were three paragraphs in total. The last one was about how grasshoppers suffered. So instead of writing paragraphs, we're gonna make one whole paragraph summarizing the note. So I'm gonna align this first of all. There you go. So let's get writing. It was a one fine summer's day. Grasshopper asked Ant, "Why are you working so hard?" The ant replied, "I am storing food for the winter, and you should do the same." Oops, wrong spelling. Now here we're going to add a comma and write, but grasshopper didn't listen. Yeah, so instead of suffered, we can also write shiver. Grasshopper didn't listen and shivered without food and shelter. And that's pretty much it. We can also select all, and let me just increase the font. And we got all of the text summarized. And this is, guys, the end. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.